May update pa ako dito. So we wanted to know exactly what this person said to our ushers. And apparently, what he said to our ushers was, kinausap ko si Aaron, dito daw ako pumila. Walang Aaron sa staff, sa crew, sa production. Walang Aaron. Aaron. Pero walang Aaron. Tapos nilabas niya yung phone niya. And one of our ushers thought, baka message galing kay Aaron. Tapos it was just pub mats of his being counselor. It was a picture of his poster. Imagine he used that intimidation to the bouncers. To the point that the bouncers had to ask our head usher, Ma'am, anong gagawin namin? And he was really insisting, intimidating our staff. He bullied his way to get in. Do we know his name? No. But, sabi ng usher namin, the description was, machong maliit na naka-mohawk. So, he even lied in the first place, then used intimidation, used his power to get in. I saw some comments that are, idealistic and very nice na, no, don't do anything na, just give him a chance to change and call him out. But if he did that, I don't think just a call out is enough. There needs to be some sort of consequence for him to do that. I don't know what that consequence is, and it's gonna be hard because we don't even know who he is. So kung may kilala kayong counselor na maliit na macho na may mohawk, please comment here para malaman namin who cannot watch us. Now, if you think it's super harsh to be banned from an improv show, just remember that Spit has principles and values, and we don't want people who do things like that to be in our audience anyway. We don't want them to be enjoying us. We want to bring joy to people who bring us joy. It's a spread the joy kind of thing. So I really don't think it's being too harsh if we don't allow this person to watch us anymore. And big deal. They can't watch Spit. So what? They have the power and intimidation that they can do whatever they want. I don't think losing the ability to watch Spit is gonna affect them.